How's it going, guys? Darrell Hammond here. DarrellHammond.com is my website. Today we are doing another wonderful review of a new product called Influx. Now, let's see. We are on my bonus page right now, and we are going to take a look at the bonuses, because sometimes the bonuses are worth more than the product itself. Not always the case, but once in a while, you never know. Anyways, we are going to go over the product. We're going to get in the dashboard, take a look at what it is and what you're going to get when you take that big leap and purchase the product. And then we're going to go over the bonuses that I have lined up for you. And we'll also kind of look into the bonuses that the vendor's going to give you. And so, yeah, you're going to get all that in today's web episode. Isn't that exciting? Tell me how exciting it is. Yeah, in the comment section below. Go ahead and leave a comment. Click the like button. Click on the subscribe button, because I appreciate you all following me and my channel. And if you ring that notification bell, you will get notified of more review videos, or the next review video that I do. You will get notified in your inbox that when I post it, so you can take a look and see what the next amazing product is. So, like I said, we are on my bonus page, and for right now, what this is a CPA. Well, there's kind of all kinds of different types of techniques in this training, and so we're going to jump in the dashboard and take a look and see what it's all about, and then we'll go over the pricing funnel, and then we will take a look at the bonuses we have lined up for you. So stick around. You're going to want to wait till the end and see all those crazy bonuses. So let's go. Let's jump on into the product. And as usual, let's get at it. Alright, so here we are on the dashboard of Influx. So Influx is basically a CPA marketing training program. It goes over some other stuff like creating a landing page on GrooveFunnels and some different traffic techniques that are rather interesting. So to start off with, you get a thank you and welcome video. And then, of course, there's a mind map and an overview of the product. He's going to show you how to search up the products, how to select a product, and then he gets into how to create a landing page utilizing a free source or a free resource called Groove Pages, and it is free to sign up for. You get 3 landing pages that you can use, and it's free. Can't beat that, right? So then the next section is the Dominate CPA Marketing. You're going to get a few different training videos. One is kind of directly directed at max bounty, and then there's a video about sending leads to the bonus, or not to the bonus page, to your landing pages, posting your ads, and then free traffic bonus, where he goes over some of those techniques I was telling you that were kind of interesting. And then there is a video about setting up Bing ads, and then of course there is a conclusion and your next steps. It looks like on this front page you'll get a $27,000 PDF. That's a pretty pricey PDF, but it's free. Yeah, you claim your gift. You can't beat free. So anyways, that's basically what Influx is. It's an over-the-shoulder training program that teaches you some techniques on CPA marketing and traffic sources. You're going to get some extra bonuses. These are some of the extra bonuses that are in there. And these are the vendor bonuses. So you're going to get Profits Engine. You're going to get Piggyback Profits. You're going to get Capture. and you're going to get the 7-minute sales machine. So let's see, back to the bonus page. This is the bonus page. There is a link to it down below in the description below this video. Click on it. It's going to take you to this bonus page where you can click on these big red buttons before the timer runs out, and you're going to be able to claim all the extra bonuses that we have lined up for you. So when you click on this big red button, it's going to take you to this sales page, and it looks like there is a downsell. So if you basically you go to click to get out of there, and it's going to give you a 15% discount right off the top. Bang. Easy peasy. So let's go ahead and scroll on down and take a look. It's your typical sales page, not a whole lot of glitz and glam. It goes over the product, some of the features and the benefits. There's some testimonials in there. And let's see, here are the bonuses that we just kind of covered. Profit engine, piggyback profits, capture, Influx, 7-minute sales machine. Sorry, not Influx. 7-minute sales machine. And some of the reasons why you should pick this up. There you go. Pretty straightforward. Some sales proof there for you to look at, and basically some more features, and 30-day money-back guarantee. Take that with a grain of salt. Sometimes it's easy to get that money back, sometimes it's not. You basically want to assess whether the product is worth it. Make sure you're going to get some good bonuses, because sometimes you're not going to get your money back. I've tried a few times to get my money back on a few different products, and there's just no customer support. They just never get back to you. You never get your money back. So don't blow your wad on it. But if it sounds like a good product, go ahead and invest in it. But just keep that in the back of your mind, that sometimes that 30-day money-back guarantee isn't always what it's cracked up to be. Enough of the negativity. Darrell, shut up with the negativity. We're supposed to be reviewing this product and saying good things about it, right? Right. Okay. So that is, well, $12.95. And like I said, you get that 15% off discount. That makes it a pretty easy decision to go with, and take a look at it. And so now let's jump back over to the bonus page. Let's go over the pricing funnel, the rest of the pricing funnel, and then we'll jump into the bonuses that I have lined up for you. So that front end offer is $12.95, and I'm not sure, I think that 15% is an actual discount even lower than that. So 15% off, that's another $1.50, what, $1.20, $1.30 plus $5, almost $2 off. So you're going to get it for about $10. And then you have upsell number 1, which is Influx Pro. That one is $27. That's where Frankie will spill the beans, and buyers of this upgrade will discover additional methods to double their profits with the Influx system by list building. Upsell number 2 is Influx Done For You. That one's $47. You get to put your hands on his best high converting follow-up sequence and campaigns. Copy and paste his battle-tested campaign to save your time and increase commissions. So what you're going to get push button monetization of the Influx system, instantly install his best follow-up sequence to increase engagement and promote additional offers. You're going to get access to 4 done-for-you campaigns to use as your own. You're going to get his best converting bonus pages for massive autopilot profits. You're going to get guaranteed easy approval for all offers. You're going to get step-by-step training on how to get the most out of this so you can bank money on autopilot. You're going to get access to world-class support, no monthly payments, and you're going to get access to everything for a low one-time investment. And that investment is $47. Upsell number 3, Influx Traffic Co-op. It's $97, How would you like a non-stop flood of autopilot traffic to your pages for life? Our website, sales pages, and members area get tons of traffic on a daily basis. You'll get a chance to put your campaigns on their systems, and they'll send traffic your way. You collect the leads, make the money, one-time payment. Upsell number 4 is Influx reseller rights. That is $77. Steal all the funnels inside Influx and sell them as your own. The products have taken months to develop, and thousands of dollars have been spent creating all the materials, all the sales materials, tens of hours spent to create all the videos. You can enjoy commissions on those awesome high converting funnels while they handle the support. Final upsell is the Ultimate Traffic Masterclass. It's $197. It's advanced traffic training for all traffic sources such as Bing ads, Facebook ads, YouTube, Google ads, solo ads, and so on. They also allow you to place your Facebook pixel on all of their pages for 365 days to gather a huge retargeted audience and take advantage of laser targeted audience while getting dirt cheap penny clicks. So some of the benefits: it's a breakthrough system, nothing but free traffic, paid without a single purchase. You get paid without a single purchase required, so you'll be directing traffic to opt-in stuff, CPA, basically cost per action offers. So you direct a customer to, say, do a survey or input their email address or something, and you get paid a small fee for sending that traffic to that offer. And a lot of these are offers like download a toolbar or something, and they don't have to pay anything to get this, but you'll get a small fee for sending them over to do that. You can start earning in the next 30 minutes. There's full training included, and you get VIP support. So, like I said, the link to this bonus page is in the description below. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to take you, that link below is going to take you to this bonus page, where you can click on any of these big red buttons that will jump you on over to the sales page, where you can pick up a copy of Influx today and start learning about CPA marketing. So, we've already covered what the vendor bonuses are. Let's take a look and see what I have lined up for you if you purchase via any of the links on this bonus page, my bonus page. And before we get too far into it, you're going to see Jono Armstrong's name down here on these. I am a member of Ministry of Freedom. It is a training program. He allows us to use these bonuses as our own, and basically it's kind of like a done-for-you system, and it works out pretty good. Less muss, lots of value. So the first bonus, you're going to get Gemini. You're going to get access to Jono's all-in-one Gemini product. That is a mailer program and a landing page builder, and you're going to get that as bonus number 1. That's a pretty good deal. It's always nice to have your own email system. You're going to have to line it up on some SMT, but it's a pretty cool system. And the landing page builder is pretty cool in and of itself, and combined with the autoresponder and mailing system in it, it makes it a great bonus. Bonus number 2 is build your Facebook following fast. So you're going to get to learn how to build a following on Facebook and get all that natural social media traffic to your offers and be able to generate some income that way. Bonus number 3 is build your first website in 3 easy steps. Building a website sometimes isn't as easy as you would think. It is quite involved. Sometimes it's easier than others. It's certainly probably not 3 easy steps, but hey, this bonus shows you how to do it that way. So you'll save a lot of time and effort and frustration. Lots of frustration. You're going to save lots of frustration utilizing this bonus to build your website in 3 easy steps. The next bonus we have for you, bonus number 4, is another cost per action CPA, high ticket CPA course. So you're going to get exclusive access to Jono's high ticket CPA course. So that adds on to everything that you're going to learn in the front end area of Influx, and you're going to get this additional CPA training, which is where the value is at. And then bonus number 5 are all those vendor bonuses we covered. 7-minute affiliate. Let's jump back over and see what those extra bonuses were real fast. Once again, you're going to get profit engines, you're going to get piggyback profits, you're going to get capture, and you're going to get 7-minute sales machine, and then you're going to get this free PDF quick start cheat sheets. And that will be delivered to you inside Facebook when you join the Facebook group. So there you have it. That is Influx in a nutshell. See it right there? In a nutshell. Go ahead and take advantage of this offer before the timer runs out. Collect all those amazing bonuses I just told you about, because like I said, sometimes the bonuses are worth more than the product you're purchasing. Not always, but I know a lot of you guys are bonus hunters, and this one is a good one. Lots of great bonuses. So there you go. My name is Darrell Hammond. I do have a website. I didn't do it in 3 easy steps. It took me a while. It was rather frustrating. Took a lot to learn how to do it, but hey, I can turn around and I can make a website with any domain anyway. It's a useful skill to learn, and I'm not balking about it. It was just not as simple as you would think. Go ahead and go there. Check it out, darrellhammond.com. And so that's the review. I appreciate you stopping by. Once again, leave a comment below. Check out my bonus page. The link is in the description below the video. Click like, click dislike. I don't care. Either way, it's engagement. YouTube loves that stuff, and so do I. Go ahead, subscribe. I would like that. Ring that notification bell. Get notified next time I do a review video. And we will see you next time. For now, I'm out of here. See ya!